almost up. Okay, okay, alright. So sorry, I forgot to prepare my other application here. Okay.
Izin Pak, suaranya nggak kedengaran.
Oh, sorry. How about now? Hello? Can you hear me? Ya, sebentar, sebentar.
Sumpahnya
Okay, sebentar everyone. Here, setting. Okay, right. So we are set for the streamer. Okay, now go here. Hello? Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
yes, sir.
Okay, sorry. Thank you very much. Okay, I was opening the other app because I forgot to record myself. Okay, so everyone, welcome to our fifth meeting. Yeah, this is basically English 1. Yeah, the basic step of learning English. Okay, all right. Thank you. Um, So in this session, we will discuss about the modal verb. Okay, everyone. Jadi kita ini we will discuss on modal verb ya. Okay. Right. So everyone can. Okay, I can look at the chat here. Okay. So basically modal verb is like the helping verb ya. Tapi ini yang bentuknya adalah can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to ya. And then kalau past and future modal itu kayak be able to and have to. Okay, and then verb that are like modal ya. Tapi dia bukan modal, tapi dia bentuknya kayak modal. So it's like used to, had better, and needn't. Tapi yang kita fokusnya pada yang ini teman-teman ya. Kita fokusnya hari ini adalah pada modal. Nah ini semua ini adalah namanya modal atau helping verbs ya. Ini modal verb, ini bentuk yang kedua. The first helping verb adalah main ya. Masih ingat nggak yang main? Main itu yang ada be, ada do. Oh, not that's like a B. Okay, ada do. Okay, do and then have. Ya. Nah, ini yang main. Okay, yang main auxiliary verb ya. Itu ada be, do, have. Tapi yang sekarang modal itu adalah can, could, may, might, shall, should, yeah, will, would, and must. Okay, so the modal verb are special group of auxiliary verb. Okay, we use them before other verbs to express certain meaning. For example, permission, ability, possibility, and also certainty. Yeah, so modal have different grammar from other verbs. Okay, for example, they have no s. Ya, even though it's a third person singular, walaupun bentuknya adalah he, she, it, bentuk kata kerjanya ini nggak harus pakai s ya. So we cannot put the s even though walaupun he is a third person singular, kalau ketemu he, she, it jangan pakai s ya. The word is like we say he can ya, he can, dia bisa ya. Tapi kalau ditambahkan s ini jadi he cans, ini berubah artinya. Cans ini adalah kaleng, oke. Sedangkan ini can ini adalah bisa atau ability ya. Ini kemampuan. Can ini adalah ability, oke. Used to, had better, and needn't are similar to model in some ways, and they are included in this section. A less common verb is ought to ya. Nanti juga ini sebenarnya bukan auxiliary, tapi ini hampir sama ya. So it's not auxiliary, but it's people always say this ya. Jadi yang nggak sama dengan modal verb yaitu ini used to, had better, and needn't ya. Ini bukan modal verb, oke, tapi mereka hampir sama. Nah, kalau yang ini juga sebenarnya bukan modal verb, tapi karena commonly used maka dianggap sebagai it's a model ya. Okay, next one we have the modal verb introduction ya. We have can, must, should. Okay, can, past tense dari can adalah could. Okay, teman-teman. And then may, past tense dari may is might. Shall, past tense dari shall is should. Will, past tense dari will is would. And then of course we have must ya. Jadi kalau kita perhatikan di sini can, bentuk lampaunya adalah could. May, bentuk lampaunya adalah might. Shall, bentuk lampaunya should. Will, bentuk lampaunya would. And then must. Oke, kalau must ini bentuk lampaunya adalah had to ya, have to and had to. Jadi bentuknya adalah pakai kata kerja pakai bentuknya have ya. So the modal verb are a special group of auxiliary verb. They are different from most other verb in 4 ways. Okay. So ya ini, this is all modal verb ya. Ini bentuk kedua dari auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb ada 2. Yang pertama main, yang kedua yaitu ini modal verb. Okay, everyone. So infinitive without to. Okay, so after modal we use infinitive without to. And then after other verbs we use infinitive with to. So this one, can I use your phone? Ya, we don't say can I to use. Nah, ini biasanya orang Indonesia pakainya to use. Ya, no. Yang benar adalah nggak pakai to-nya. Can I use your phone? And then Joe can't swim. I may be out. Okay, but you can use I want to use her phone ya. Kalau ini ya pakainya to, tapi kalau pakainya auxiliary there is no infinitive to. Okay, after modal verb we don't use the infinitive to. Okay, and then other verb ya we use infinitive. Okay, kalau setelah modal nggak pakai infinitive, infinitive without to. Okay, I'd like to go home, and then Joe seems to have a cold. Okay, coba kita practice everyone for exercise number 1 here. Oh, we have so many. Wow. Okay, well, hello everyone, welcome. Okay, let's try the first one. Siapa yang bisa ini? Number 1. And seems, which one? Be or to be very tired. Mana yang benar? And okay, let's try one by one then. Kita try. Okay, we have, hello Mas Irfan. You're the first one. How are you, Mas Irfan?
I'm fine, very well. Thank you, Mr. Danhang.
All right, Mas Irfan, can you try number 1?
Number 1, and seems to be very tired.
Okay,
Yeah.
yes. Anne seems to be very tired. Okay, good. Next one, number 2. We have Saimuti. Hello, Saimuti. Saimuti Taro. Oh, you can write in the chat box if you are still with the other. Okay, everybody can write in the chat box.
Peter.
Okay, to
He
be.
must.
All right.
Must be away.
Yes, it is raining here, Mas Irfan. It's very rainy. It's like
Very.
cats and dog. Do you know what cats and dog is? The rain is like cats and dog. Okay, everyone write in the chat box. Number 2, coba number 2. What is number 2? Peter hasn't phone. Which one is it?
Peter hasn't phone.
Okay, Mas Hendra to
He
be.
must be.
Oh, he must be. Okay. Mr. Hendra said B. All right. Oh, without question mark. Kok nggak yakin? Why you not certain?
Bus.
Mr. Hendra.
Coach bus.
Peter hasn't phoned. He must. Which one is the right one?
B.
He must be.
Wait.
Sorry, the first one is right, yeah. Anne seems to be very tired. Okay, and then Peter hasn't phoned. He. Mr. Hendra said B. Are you sure? Yes, that's right. He must be. He must be away. Okay. What about number 3? Could you pass? What is number 3? You can write in the chat box if you know the answer.
Could you pass?
You
Could you pass?
or you pass the orange juice.
Okay, yes, thank you. Could you pass the oranges? Okay, good. Number 4?
We hope to get.
Yeah, thank you. Very good to get. We hope to get a bigger flat soon. Number 5.
My Chris might be here at the weekend.
Yes, thank you, Mas Irfan. Chris may be here at the weekend. Okay, number 6.
I want to speak to the manager.
Oh, yes, thank you, Sai. I want to speak to the manager. That's right. Very good. Okay, next one we have here. Is no S yet this time. So modal verb with no S on the third person singular. Okay, so even though it's a he she form, we don't use the S for the verb ya. Even though ini verb ya, auxiliary verb model itu adalah bentuk kata kerja, tapi kalau ketemu he she it, kalau bentuknya modal verb, you cannot put S. Okay, John can speak Korean. We don't say John cans. No. Ya, even though kita ketemu dengan kata he she it. Okay, coba number 1. Our cat. Apa ini? Pakai S apa
Yang
enggak?
mana sih?
This one.
Like to. Our cat like.
Like-nya pakai S apa enggak?
Our cat like.
Likes? Yes, likes. Okay, our cat likes fish. Number 2.
It may rain.
It may rain. No S. Okay, number 3.
She must fly now.
She plays. Okay, must-nya pakai S apa enggak?
Must pakai S. Must.
No.
No,
Must.
must we don't use S. Yeah, she must
No.
play now. Okay, number 4.
Harry works
Okay,
Works.
in London.
good. Yes, works. Pakai S. Okay. Number 5.
You should
To
her
show
mother.
from her mother.
Yes, she should phone her mother. Okay,
Should phone her mother.
very good.
The
Next one.
train seems to be late.
Yes, the train seems to be late. Okay. And then number 7.
Bill
Bill
might
might
come and see us.
Okay, yes. Bill might come and see us. Number 8.
Joe wants to go
to
home.
go home.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Joe wants to go home. Okay. Yes, Mr. Hendra, it's okay. Next one, we have no do. Kita nggak pakai do here, okay? So this one we cannot use with do. Okay, so without do. So for example, Anne can speak Russian and Chinese. She can speak Chinese. Okay. And then the next one is Mary must wash her clothes. She mustn't do it now. Okay. What about number 1 here? Mike cannot swim or can't swim. And what about ski?
And he's
Can my
Can he ski?
Yes, can he ski? Very
Can he
good.
ski?
Karena kita pakainya can di sini ya. Okay, yes.
oh,
Next one.
can he
Can he ski? Dia kan bertanya. Can-nya di awal karena dia ini ada question mark here. Okay. Number 2.
He cannot play poker. He
Very
can
good.
Play poker.
He cannot play poker. Good. Di sini ada cannot. Okay. Next one, number 3.
Must singing. Must sing. Must she sing.
Must. Oh, this
She
makes.
sing.
She is.
She
It's a
Must she
negative.
sing. Maria must play the piano. Must she sing.
kalau
No.
Sir, kalau bacaannya itu must not berarti mustn't ya atau mustn't.
Mustn't. Mustn't. Yes.
Okay.
Maria must play the piano, but no singing. So she mustn't sing. Okay, she mustn't sing. Okay, number 4.
Oh, she must.
He may not go this week.
Okay, very good, Saimuti. Yeah, okay. He mustn't go this week. He mustn't go this week. Okay, number 5.
Must she work on Sunday?
Yes, good. Must she work on Sunday? Karena ini question. Okay, and then the auxiliary verbnya is in the beginning ya. Must she work on Sunday? Okay, yes. Okay, Irfan, yes, pass. Oh, sorry. Okay, next one. Must. Ini must it means necessary ya. Ya atau istilahnya keras ini harus ya, dalam bahasa Indonesia. Kalau ada orang bilang harus itu kalau Inggrisnya adalah must ya. Ini keras. You must go atau you mustn't do that ya. Ini adalah perintah keras ya, mustn't atau must. Okay. I must, you must, and then he, she, it must ya without the s. Okay, and then in the question must-nya lebih dulu ya. Must I go? Must you go? Must he or she or the name ya go. Okay, so in affirmative sentence we use must when we mean this is necessary. Ini keharusan. Okay, I must get up early tomorrow. You must fill in this form. Okay, coba we try the first exercise over here. We have be, go, hurry, pay, speak, stop, study, and write. Okay, number 1, teacher, you with must and ink. What is it? Anybody know?
Teacher, you must write in ink.
Okay, yes, you must write in ink. That's right. Maksudnya apa ini? You must write in ink. Harus tulis pakai pulpen. Okay. Next one, number 2. Friend.
Friend, we must hurry. We're late.
Okay, friend, we must hurry. We are late. Yes, we must hurry. Okay. Number 3.
Tax office, you must pay the tax now.
No. Number 3, the doctor.
Oh, number 3, doctor. Oh, okay.
Can you see it?
Doctor, you must stop smoking.
Yes, that's right. You must stop smoking. It's unhealthy. Yeah. Okay. Next one, number 4.
Tax office, you must pay the tax now.
You must pay the tax now. Okay, good. Next one, number 5.
Teacher, your doctor must study harder.
Okay.
Harder atau harder, sir?
What do you mean her? Your daughter must study harder. So from the from the basic word hard, and then ada apa? Comparative ya, harder. Okay. Number 6.
You must speak politically on the phone.
Yes, that's right. You must speak politely on the phone. Okay, very good. Next one, the last one we have.
Mother, the child must go to bed now.
Yes, the child must go to bed now. Okay, good. Ini adalah keharusan ya. It's a wajib. Okay, it's a hard order. Okay, we have the second one. Sentence we also use must when we mean this is a very good idea. Nah, kalau ini kita mengutarakan opini kita adalah is a very good idea, we use must. Ya, contohnya beli baju kelihatannya bagus banget ya. Nah, ini it's a very good idea. You must buy that dress or you must buy that outfit. Okay. So you must visit us when we are in Paris. Nah, ini kalau ketemu teman lama, is a very good idea. You must visit us in Paris. Pat and Jane are so nice. We must see them again. It's a very good idea. Okay. Okay, let's put the beginning and ends together and using must, pakai kata must here, and the verb from the box. Okay, kata kerja yang ada di box ini. Okay, Smith's latest book is her best. I think you must read it. Shall I lend it to you? Okay, that's number 1. What about number 2? I haven't heard from. Go ahead, Saimuti. I
haven't heard from any for
ages. Okay, good. So what is the partner of this one? Pasangannya apa?
I must hurt her tonight. I must hurt her tonight. Maybe.
I must hurt
her tonight. Sounds
pakai boxnya apa ini? Kata kerja yang di box apa? I must.
I must see her tonight.
Okay, yes. I must see her tonight. Okay, good. This is number 2. Okay. I must see her tonight. Next one, number 3. The woods.
The woods are full of flowers.
The woods are full of flowers.
You we must have for a
We don't say we have.
must-
We
we must see for a
We, we must go for a walk this weekend.
Okay, yes. We must
We
go.
must go.
Yes, we must go for a walk this weekend. Okay, good. Next one, number 4.
This
My
cake is
mother made it for
delicious.
you.
Mhm.
You must have a you must up. You must.
My mother made it. You must have a piece.
You must have a piece. Okay, yes. You must have a piece. That's right. Harus cicipin ya. Kata kalau bahasa Inggris kalau nyicipin tuh have. Ya, can I have a piece? Okay, yes. You must have a piece. And the last one, velocity.
It's wonderful film.
Mhm.
You must you must see it. You must see it.
Okay, you must. Oh, ini berarti bukan C sini. Number 2 is not C. Harusnya apa ini? Kalau ini C, you must see it. Ini C, betul. Berarti yang number 2 it's I must phone her.
Phone her tonight.
I must phone her tonight. Yeah.
I must phone her tonight. Okay.
Harus ditelepon. Okay, so this is number 5. Maksud cinema kita nelpon cinema. No, we must see it in the cinema. Okay. Okay, the next one we have here is must, ya. Now the second meaning, arti yang kedua dari must ini adalah it is really necessary, ya. So this is really necessary. Okay. Selain tadi yang is a very good idea and also this is necessary, ya. So this is really necessary. Okay. I must tell the police when we change address. Must you talk so loud? Okay, must you talk so loud? Harusnya kamu ngomong dengan keras. Okay, and then must you go? Haruskah kamu pergi? Okay, here we have a new student is asking some question about next week exam. Complete the question, use must I and the verb from the box. Okay, we have answer, bring, come, pay, sit, and stay. Okay, kita harus pakai kata must ini ya. Use must I. Okay, must I bring any paper? What about number 1? Must I?
Number 1, must I pay any money?
Yes, must I pay any money? Good. Number 2?
Must I sit in my usual place? Sorry, salah.
Number 2.
Must I come to this room?
Must I come to this room?
Oh, salah banget.
Oke, coba kita lihat must I come, ya.
Must come.
This one is come, okay. And then number 3?
Must I sit in my usual place?
Okay, yes. Must I sit in the usual place? Okay, good. Number 4.
Must I answer any question? Every question?
Yes. Must I answer every question? Okay. And then number 5.
Must I stay if I finish
Early. Yes. Must I stay if I finish early? Okay, sorry, stay. So this one is stay. Yes. So this one must, ya, it means the same thing as have to. Okay. Jadi kalau ada kata orang bilang I have to, ini artinya artinya the same meaning as must. Okay. Karena bentuk lampau dari must itu adalah had to. Okay. Bentuk lampaunya dari must adalah had So must ini boleh pakai have to, boleh juga pakai must ya. Okay, next one we are going to discuss about mustn't and needn't. Bedanya apa sih ini mustn't and needn't? So I must not go, you must not go. He, she, it must not go. And then I need to go, you need to go. He, she, it need not to go. Okay, sorry, need not to go. So must has two negative. Ya.
Needn't.
We use must when we mean don't do this. Nah, ini keras ya. Don't do this, okay? Tapi kalau we use needn't when we mean it is necessary. Ya, maksudnya apa ini necessary? Maksudnya kalau dilakukan dapat award, kalau nggak dilakukan it's okay. Ya. Jadi needn't ini dilakukan boleh, tidak dilakukan juga tidak apa-apa. Ya, kalau kata must ini harus, ya mau nggak mau harus. Oke, ini adalah keharusan. Oke, sedangkan need itu you can do it is okay, you cannot do it nggak dilakukan juga nggak apa-apa. Ya. Jadi for example, you mustn't smoke here. Ini keras, nggak boleh merokok di sini. You mustn't take picture here. Ya, it's keras ya. Nggak boleh ngambil foto. You mustn't wake the baby. Okay. And then kalau needn't, ya, you needn't pay now. You can pay when the works is finished. Kamu nggak harus bayar sekarang. Kamu bisa bayar setelah the job is finished. And we didn't hurry, we are early. Kita nggak harus terburu-buru. Kita sudah kita kepagian lah istilahnya. Okay. Alright, let's try this one exercise, everyone. Which one is the word use must, and which one is the word we use needn't? Ya. Oh, this one is must. Okay, this one is must dulu deh. It's must dulu. Coba. At the campsite, kalau kita lagi camping, you mustn't light fire. What will happen kalau we light the fire?
Dilarang menyalakan api.
Iya, kalau menyalakan api akan terjadi apa?
Kebakaran.
Okay, yes, that's right. Okay, number 1. What can we? You
need wash dishes in the shower.
Okay, you needed to wash these dishes in the shower. Okay. Number 2.
You must. You mustn't.
Mustn't
Make noise.
make
after
noise.
28.
Okay, yes, you mustn't make noise. Okay, good. Next one, number 3.
Mobile phone.
You must use
Yeah, okay, good. Yes, you mustn't use mobile phone
mobile phone.
on the plane. Okay. Number 4.
You must smoke.
Okay, good. You mustn't smoke in the toilet, ya, at the airplane. Okay. Next one. Sekarang pakai mustn't atau needn't here. We mustn't hurry. We will get too tired. We needn't hurry. We are early. What about number 1? Pakai mustn't atau pakai needn't?
Mustn't.
You mustn't.
You mustn't stay
You
up
mustn't
late.
stay.
Good. You mustn't stay
You
up late.
mustn't.
You've got school tomorrow morning, ya. Kalau bergadang pasti akan telat nanti. Number 2.
You needn't.
You
You needn't stay
needn't?
up late to
Mhm.
wash the dishes.
Yes, I wash them in the morning. Good. Okay, next one. Number 3. Oh, this one. Sorry. Yes.
We must not
Mhm.
leave the door open. The rain
Okay.
will come in.
Yes, we mustn't.
We
leave the door-
mustn't.
Oh, okay, mustn't. Number 4.
We need to
We need
leave the door open.
the door open.
Okay, yes, we needn't. Yes. Okay, number 5.
Yeah.
You must write to John
needn't.
about this.
Needn't atau mustn't?
Needn't.
Needn't. Yes. You needn't write to John about this. I've already written to him. Ini sudah ditulis ke dia. Yeah, so it's needn't. Okay, next one, number 6.
You mustn't.
You mustn't write to John about this. If you do, he'll
Ya,
He-
he tell everybody ya. Dia ini kayaknya mulut ember ya. Jadi kalau if you have a friend who is talkative, ya be careful. Okay, mustn't. Number 7.
You
Seven,
mustn't
you-
drive so fast.
you mustn't drive so fast.
Okay,
The police will
good.
stop you.
You mustn't drive so fast. The police will stop you. Number 8.
You needn't drive so
needn't.
fast.
You needn't. Good. You needn't drive so fast. We got lots of time. Okay. Number 9.
I needn't look in the cupboard again. We've looked in there twice.
Okay. I needn't look in the
Cupboard.
Cupboard. Okay. Cupboard again. I've looked at there twice. Number 10.
I must look in there
I must look in the
Cupboard.
cupboard.
and has put my birthday present in there.
Okay, yes. Alright. Ya, dia pengen buka birthday presentnya ya. Alright, good. So, must itu perlu ya. And then needn't, kalau needn't ini bisa dikerjakan boleh, nggak dikerjakan juga nggak apa-apa. Okay, next one we have should. Should, what should I tell John? Okay, positif, I should go, you should go, he, she, it should go. Ya, kalau question, should-nya lebih awal ya. Letaknya di depan, letaknya di depan. Should I go? Should you go? Ya, and should he or she or it go? We use should to talk about a good thing. Okay, jadi kalau kita membicarakan tentang hal yang baik, ini kita pakainya should. A good thing to do. A good thing to do ya. You should be more careful. Should I wear a tie? People shouldn't drive fast in the rain. It's a good thing to do. Okay. Alright. Let's try the exercise number 1 here. Complete the sentence with should and shouldn't. Negatifnya adalah shouldn't. Should not, shouldn't. Okay. If someone doesn't speak your language very well, you shouldn't speak fast. You should speak slowly and carefully. Okay, we have speak, the same. We don't change into spoke or spoken ya, tapi speak. Jadi ini udah tensesnya sudah nggak berfungsi ya. Kalau ketemu dengan modal verb itu semuanya adalah verbnya adalah verb 1. Okay, semua modal verb, kalau ketemu dengan modal verb kita pakainya verb 1. Okay, what about number 1? If you need a pen,
Then you should.
If you need a pen, you should. You should.
you should
Say.
say. Oh, you should? Are you sure?
You shouldn't say.
Oh, okay, you shouldn't. You shouldn't say. Give me that pen. Okay, nggak boleh ya. Ini shouldn't. Shouldn't. Okay, shouldn't say give me that pen. You should.
You should say.
Mhm.
You should.
You should say.
You should. Could I borrow? You should say. Could I borrow your pen, please?
Yes, you should say, could I borrow your pen? Good. Number 2. If people want to live until they are very old,
They
Okay,
should
shh.
eat a lot.
Eat a lot
They should.
or
They
fruit.
should not eat. Eat. They shouldn't eat a lot of fruit in.
Are you sure?
Oh, they should. They
They
should. No.
should, yes.
They should eat a lot of fruit and
Uh-huh.
vegetable.
Okay.
They should not
Mhm.
a lot of cake and chocolate.
Okay,
They should not eat a lot of cake and chocolate.
Very good, Irfan. Thank you. Yeah, they shouldn't eat a lot of cake and chocolate. Yeah, very cholesterol. Yeah, number 3. In a big city,
You should
Need to
be
be careful.
be
You should
careful
be
with
careful
your
with your money.
mhm,
you should
You
leave
you
your
shouldn't
bag
leave. You
on
shouldn't
a
leave
chair
your bag
in
on
a
a chair
restaurant.
in a restaurant.
yes, you shouldn't leave your bag on a chair in a restaurant. Good. Number 4.
When you're driving, you should
When
drive.
you're driving, you should stop and walk
Mhm.
around every 2 hours.
Okay.
You should drive for horse and horse without
Mhm.
stopping.
When you're driving,
When you're
you
driving,
should
you should.
drive for 4 hours and
Oh, are you sure? You
hours
should. You
without
should.
stopping. You shouldn't.
You shouldn't.
When you're
Okay.
driving, you shouldn't
Mhm.
drive for hour and hour without stopping.
Good.
You should
Uh-huh.
stop
Mhm.
and walk around every 2 hours.
Yes, of course. Kalau lagi perjalanan jauh, jangan drive for hours and hours ya.
You shouldn't. You shouldn't
Yeah, you shouldn't.
drive. You shouldn't drive.
You
Yes.
shouldn't drive for hours and hours. Yes, very good. Okay, number 5. When people are traveling,
They should drink lots of water.
mhm,
They should drink.
they should
Yeah.
drink.
They should drink lots of water.
Mhm,
They shouldn't.
they shouldn't.
Oh no. They,
Yeah, right.
they
They shouldn't.
They shouldn't.
Well, itu bacanya apa, share? Kalau contohnya kita mau pakai WEAR.
Oh, where? Where? Yes. Hampir sama kayak di mana? Where? Tapi ini
Okay.
ya
Berarti
tulisannya
when
where.
people are traveling by
Okay.
plane,
Mhm.
they shouldn't drink
They-
lots of water. They
They
should
sh-
they should
should.
drink lots of water. They
Mm.
shouldn't wear
mhm,
Where?
wear. They shouldn't wear uncomfortable.
Wear.
Yes,
Shoes.
wear. Okay, good. So the first one is when people are traveling by plane, they
they
should
should
drink lots of water. They shouldn't atau should not wear uncomfortable shoe. Oke, ya tulisannya beda ya wear, tapi pengucapannya sama kayak where di mana. Oke, so pengucapannya sama kayak where are you ya, tapi di sini where
wear.
ya memakai. Oke, tapi pengucapannya sama where ya, sama dengan artinya kayak there. There itu they are, itu mereka. There, th
There.
yeah, there. This one, let me there, there,
There.
and there. Nah, ini semuanya sama. There ya. Tapi artinya lain. Kalau ini there, ini mereka, they are. Kalau there, ini kepemilikan, milik. It's their shoes, it's their house, ya milik mereka. Tapi kalau there di sini,
Di
there
sana.
ini di sana ya. Sama juga dengan ini where. Where ini ada where memakai, ada juga where yang di mana ya. Sorry, this one. Where, ya, where, and also where. Where, sama. Pengucapannya sama, tapi artinya beda. Ya. Kenapa Tai Muti?
Apa?
Sai Muti, sorry, Sai Muti.
Kalau wear ini kayak semacam wear glasses, wear watch gitu.
Yes, that's right. I wear glasses. That's right. Wear glasses. Yes. Wear glasses. Ya, memakai kacamata. Tapi kalau sini wear ini di mana? Ya. Lagunya Ayu Ting Ting.
Mm.
Okay, next
Oh my
one.
God.
Okay, we use must to talk about what is necessary, yeah, and we use should to talk about what's good. Okay, ya. Jadi kalau necessary ini keharusan, kita pakainya must, and then if it's what's good for you, yeah, we use should. So I must get a new password. I'm traveling next month. Okay, and then I should eat more fruit, but I don't like fruit. Yeah, this one is it's what's good for you. Yeah, if it's good for you, we say should. Yeah, but if it's important for you, we say must. Okay. Okay, let's try this one. We have here letter to magazine. Should I give up smoking? Should I marry Bob? Should I move to walking? Okay. Should I change my job? Should I dye my hair green? Should I tell my wife? Should I ask a magazine and how to live? Or should I ask a magazine how to live my life? Okay. All right. What about number one? I can't leave.
I can't leave. I must finish this work today.
Okay. Yes, I must finish this work today. Okay. Number two.
I
I
should take more exercise, but
take
I'm
more,
too
but
fast.
I'm too
Yes,
lazy.
that's right. Should. Okay.
Should you?
And this one? Sorry. This one is should. Sorry, my mistake.
Okay, I should.
This one is should, and this one is must.
You don't must. You must not.
Mhm.
Number three.
Number three, you must not. Okay.
Must not.
Good. You mustn't.
Smoke near baby.
Yes. Number four.
The sign says we.
We
the
mustn't.
sign says
Mustn't.
we should.
Oh, we
not.
shouldn't. Yes, we shouldn't. The signs say we shouldn't smoke here. Oh, sorry. Biasanya kalau mustn't ya. Biasanya kalau
Mustn't?
smoke.
Okay.
Kalau smoke is
Mustn't smoke.
mustn't. Yes.
What should I? What should I do to get a visa?
What should I do? Yes. What should I do to get a visa? Sorry. Number six.
Really hungry, so pizza and pizza is just like the same.
Yes. Visa and pizza. Okay. Number six. You must or should?
Must.
You
You must be.
Must.
you
That's
must be
right.
over 16 to buy cigarettes
Yeah.
here.
In Europe, country, yeah, especially Europe and America and also Australia, you have to be like 18 to buy cigarette. Tapi kalau in Indonesia ya people like 13 of age they can buy cigarette ya. Okay, next one.
What music should I play?
Yeah, what music should I play? I'd like Mozart. Okay, this one is should. All right, good. Next one, we have can, could, and be able to. Nah, this
Able.
one. If you are telling that you have the ability, yeah, we can say can. Okay, we use can to say something is possible or allowed, or that somebody has the ability to do something. We use can plus infinitive, yeah. Okay, can do, can see, yeah. We can see the lake from our hotel. I don't have a pen. You can use mine. And then, can you speak any foreign languages? Can I come and see you tomorrow if you like? The word dream can be a noun or a verb. Okay, the negative is cannot, jadi can't. Okay, But in America, we say can't. Yeah, can't, can't. I'm afraid I can't come to the party on Friday. And then part B, you can say that somebody is able to do something, but can is more usual. Ya, jadi kalau kita ingin apa, ada ability ya, I can swim. Nah ini lebih more usual, we use can. Ya. We are able to see the lake from our hotel. Okay, can see. We can use able to boleh, tapi secara usually is can. Ya. But can has only two form. Can in the present and could in the past. Nah, harus hati-hati. This one. Yeah, can in the present and then could in the past. Okay. For example, when I was 13 years old, I could swim 5 meters, ya, atau 15 meters, ya. So that's is a past ability, ya. But now I can only swim for just 3 meters. So sometimes it is necessary to use be able to. Oke, kadang bisa juga pakai yang be able to. Artinya sama ya. Arti ini be able to itu sama dengan can. Oke. So the be able to it is the same thing as can. Okay. So we have here I can sleep. I can't sleep. Tom can come tomorrow. Maria can speak French, Spain, and English. And then I haven't been able to sleep recently. Okay, sama artinya, the same meaning. Tom might be able to come tomorrow. Applicants for the job must be able to speak 2 foreign languages. Okay, and then sometime could is in the past of can. We use could especially with. Okay. See, hear, smell, taste, feel, remember, and understand. Yeah, we had a lovely room in the hotel. We could see the lake. As soon as I walked into the room, I could smell the gas. I was sitting at the back of the theater and couldn't hear very well. We also use could to say that somebody has the ability to do something or was allowed to do something. My grandfather could speak 5 languages. We are totally free. We could do what we wanted. Okay, and then this one, could and was able to. Okay, we use could for general ability and with see here. Okay, and then but to say that somebody success in doing something in a special situation, we normally use was atau were able to, ya, or managed to, not could. Nah, ini kalau biasanya ada situasi somebody success in doing something in a specific situation, ya, this one, in doing something in a specific situation, we normally use yang pakai able to. The fire spread quickly, but everybody was able to escape. I didn't know where Max was, but I managed to find him in the end. Okay. And then compare, Jack was an excellent tennis player when he was younger. He could beat anybody. Okay, so he was good enough to beat anybody and he had the ability. But Jack and Andy played a match yesterday. Andy played well, but Jack managed to beat him. His success in beating him in this time. The negative is couldn't, could not, couldn't. Is possible in all situation. Okay, is possible in all situation. My grandfather couldn't swim. I looked for Max everywhere, but I couldn't find him. Andy played well, but he couldn't beat Jack. That's the example. Okay, what about this one? Write the sentence with can sekarang. Can and cannot atau can't. Okay, number 1. What can you see here, number 1?
He
have a tennis racket and a
He can
baseball bat.
play baseball. He cannot play tennis,
He cannot
but
play
he
tennis.
can play baseball.
Yes, but he can play baseball. Good. Number 2.
Violin.
We have the violin and we
He can play piano,
have
but he cannot play violin.
Okay, good. What about number 3?
He can remember record and
He can.
Remember?
Syarah
Ayo.
dipakein nama orang aja.
Can remember the
Jadi
name, but
pakai yang di atas.
he can remember the face.
Yes, that's right. He can't remember the name, but he can remember the faces. Okay, good. Number 4.
What was it? Tomato or
And yet
This
orange,
is orange. Yeah, orange.
but
Orange.
he can eat cherries.
Good. He can eat orange, but he cannot eat cherries.
Cherries.
Okay, yes. Okay, this one. Could, yeah. You could. Could I go? Could you go? Okay, and then could. Contraction is couldn't. Yeah, could not is couldn't. To talk about the past of can, we use could. Okay. Coba we have exercise here. Okay, can, couldn't. Sorry, can, can't, could, couldn't. I'm afraid I can't come to your party next week.
Sorry, your voice doesn't
okay, sorry.
clearly.
Sorry. It's still of the rain. When Dan was 16, he
He couldn't.
he could, okay?
He couldn't run 100 meters in 11 seconds.
Yes, he could. Ini waktu dia umur 16, yes, he could run.
Mas Irfannya lancar kali bahasa Inggris.
Oh,
Yes, I think he already have courses somewhere.
oh no. Just maybe see of the lots of cartoon television like that. But the
That's
grammar's
why.
still not good enough. So
Okay.
this is very, very, very excited.
All right, thank you very much. Okay, this is run. Good. Number 3. You are in a hurry. Are you in a
Got
hurry?
plenty of time. I
I can wait.
can't. Like, are you in a hurry?
I
No,
can
got
wait.
plenty of time.
Oh, we have. Okay, Mr. Gideon says can. I can what?
I can wait.
I can wait. Yes. I
Can wait. So
yes,
wait.
I can wait. Okay, good. So this is number 3. Okay, number 4.
I don't feel good this morning. I couldn't sleep last night.
Yes, I couldn't sleep last night. Good. This one is number 4. Sleep. Okay. And then number 5.
Can you speak a little louder? I can hear you very well.
Okay, Mr. Gideon. Yes, I can't hear you very well. Okay.
Was amazed.
Number 6.
I was amazed when I heard the news.
Yes.
I couldn't believe
I couldn't believe. Okay, I couldn't believe.
Couldn't believe it.
I couldn't believe it. Yes, I was amazed when I heard the news. I couldn't believe it. Okay, good. Next one, we use could with the verb in italics to complete the story. My brother baby was unusual. When she was 3 months old, she could say 15 words. And then when she was a year old,
Let's say. She could say.
I-
She was a years old. She
when she was a year old, she apa ini? Pakai the word
She-
helpingnya pakai could.
call them
She could,
all the
yes, could name
color.
all the colors. Okay, good.
would name all
And
the colors.
And she
And she
she called
could,
couldn't count.
oh, could count,
could
could
count.
count. Yes,
To 100.
to 100. Good.
When she was 3, she could read easy books.
Yes, when she was 3, she could read easy books. Okay, number 4. She
No, she could
She
not
couldn't
write,
couldn't.
write,
but
Yes,
she
but
could not
she-
write, but she could
she
tell
she felt
wonderful stories.
Okay, good, Mas Irfan. She couldn't write, but she could tell wonderful story. And then
And she could
mm-hmm.
she could remember
She
every
could-
story that
Okay.
she heard.
Yes, she could remember every story that she heard. Okay, next one.
She couldn't. She could not. She could not walk. Or
Mhm.
I don't know. She
Yeah,
could not
That's right.
walk
She could not walk.
until she was nearly 2.
Yeah, she
Stop.
could not walk until she was nearly 2. Okay, good. Next one here, can does not have an infinitive. Ya, jadi kalau kita ketemu can, we don't use the to. Ya, we don't use the to. Okay, so we don't use to can. Nah, jangan ya. Or past participle atau juga bentuk participle ya. I have could. No, we don't say I have could. Okay. Instead we use to be able. Nah, kalau kita mau pakai to-nya, kita ganti dengan be able, jangan pakai can ya. Kalau kamu mau pakai to, jangan pakai can tapi be able ya, and been able. Okay. These are not modals. Nah, being able ini ada bukan modal ya. Tapi yang can ini adalah modal ya. So, I want to be able to speak German. Not I want to can speak German. No, ya. Tapi kita pakainya kalau mau pakai to harus pakai be able to. Okay. I'll be able to drive soon. Okay, kalau kita ingin bilang saya sebentar lagi bisa nyetir loh, kita pakainya be able to. Kalau if you say I can drive, it means that you are already master it. Ya, kalau kita bilang saya I can drive, it means you're already master it. Ya, tapi kalau kita baru aja lulus ya, atau hampir aja lulus, nah kita bilangnya I'll be able to drive soon. Okay. Okay, and what about this one? Put in the be able to or being able to with the sentences.
I hope.
Mhm.
I hope
I hope.
to be able give you an answer soon.
Okay, I hope to be able to give you an answer soon. Okay, yes. I hope to be able to give you answer soon. Okay. Number 2.
I've never been able to understand your mother.
Okay, I've never been able to understand your mother. Okay, yes, ini number 2. This is number 1. Okay, next one, number 3. Shu has always.
Sue has always Been
To be.
able to door.
Yes.
That's right.
Thank you, Saimuti. Yes. Being able to.
Been able to. Okay.
Number
Our
4.
cat would like to be able open.
Yes, that's right. Our cat would like to be able to open the fridge door. Yes. So.
What a cat.
What a cat. Amazing cat. Okay, next one. We have may and might. Okay. We use may to say something that is possible atau perhaps ya. They are not true or perhaps they will not happen. Okay. So may ini adalah kemungkinan ya, bisa terjadi ya, perhaps, or
Possible
will
perhaps.
not happen or will not happen. Okay. We do not use may in this way in question. Ya, may it's no, no. Dan kalau may jangan bentuknya question. Okay. So even though it's an auxiliary verb, kalau may hanya may aja ya, nggak bisa dia bentuknya adalah question. So here there's no question ini. Di sini nggak ada questionnya untuk may ya. Yang lain ada ya. Yang lain ada could, can, could ya. And then we have must ya, should. Okay. Oh sorry, mustn't ya, mustn't and needn't nggak ada ya. Mustn't. Oh karena must ya ada have ya. Ya, so may and must ya yang nggak ada apa questionnya. Okay, let's write the sentence with may here. Perhaps it won't rain. What can we say with may? Perhaps it won't rain. Kalimatnya gimana ini?
Perhaps.
Diganti dengan kata may.
It may rain.
It
May. It may be.
may not rain. It may not rain. Yes. Can say perhaps it won't rain. It may not rain. Okay. Number 2. Perhaps we'll buy a car. Perhaps we'll buy a car.
We may buy a car.
Okay, we may buy a car. Good. Next one, number 3. Perhaps
Joy may not be at home.
Yes, Joe may not be at home. Good. Thank you. Next one, number 4.
And may need help.
Yes, and may need help. Good. Number 5.
The baby may be hungry.
Yes, the baby may be hungry. Okay. Or the baby may hungry. Oh, yeah. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. That's right. The baby may be hungry. Number 6.
6. Perhaps I will change my job.
I may not change
Okay.
my job.
Good. I may not change my job. Okay, good. Number 7. Perhaps she's married.
She may be
She may-
married.
Okay, she may be engaged boleh atau she may be married. Okay. Number 8.
Maybe. I want to talk to you.
He may not want to talk to you.
Yes, she may not want to talk to you. Okay, good. Okay, so past tense of may is might. Ya, ini bentuk lampau dari may adalah might. Okay, I might go, you might go, might I go, might you go, and then might not is negative, mightn't, mightn't. Okay. Ini agak susah disingkat mightn't ya. We rarely say mightn't, but commonly we say might not. Okay. Banyak orang Amerika yang nggak pernah disingkat untuk mightn't ya. But normally they use might not. Okay. we can use might in the same way as may, especially if we are not so sure about things. Okay, are you ill? Not sure. I might have a cold, or perhaps not. Okay, and then might is unusual in question. Ya, biasanya might ini jarang sekali. Oke, jarang sekali digunakan dalam question. Ya, karena emang it's not commonly used. Ya, it's not commonly used, but there
Sorry,
is.
sir. Tadi kalau singkatnya gimana penyebutannya, Miss?
Mightn't. Mightn't. Nah, mightn't, yes. Might not is mightn't. Tapi jarang sekali digunakan, Ibu. Biasanya orang Amerika, they just say it might not, ya, might not. They rarely abbreviate it. Jarang sekali disingkat. Okay? Coba this one, John has no money. He is thinking about things that might happen. In the verb form, from the box with might. Ya, jadi kita pakai kata-kata yang ada di box dengan digabungkan kata might. I might win a lot of money in the lottery, or apa ini? Which one is it?
Like some
Might mix.
like someone.
My mates.
Mm,
My mates we
the first one is win. Yang ini.
Win.
Oh, are you sure? Win some money in the street?
No. Win has used.
Yeah, win is already
already.
used. Okay, yes.
I already used.
I might
Or I
win a lot of money in the lottery, or I might.
Fine, maybe fine. Or I find someone in the
that's
street.
right.
Might I might find someone in the street.
Yes, that's right. Fine.
Oh my god.
Jarang sekali ya. Okay. Next one, our Uncle Max.
Welcome Max. Might
Mhm.
send me
Might send me.
$1,000
Okay, might send me $1,000.
or a rich woman
Mhm.
might fall in love with me,
Okay, yes, might fall in love with me. Okay.
or the bank might make mistake
Okay, make mistake. Okay, yes.
or somebody
Mhm.
might
Yes.
buy
Yeah,
my old car.
might buy my old car. Okay, ini berandai-andai.
not good.
Oke, ada orang yang mau menikah dengannya ya.
Oh god.
Alright, this one we have must atau can for certainty. Okay, jadi kita bisa gunakan antara keduanya ini, pakai must atau can't. Ya, we can use must to say that something seems sure or certain. Ya, or we can say can't. Ya, Anne has gone
Must
to bed,
be
and then she must be tired. I am certain that she is tired. Okay, and then look at her clothes. She must have plenty of money. I feel sure that she has a plenty of money. Jadi ini
must
ya must itu pakainya apa certain ya, sure and certain, sure and certain. Rewrite the sentence in italic with the word must. Okay, what about this one? John's coming to see me.
I'm sure he wants something. He
Yeah.
must. Don't come to see me. She's certainly in. She must be in.
So what is the word?
He must.
He must. He must. The
He
word
must
here.
be want.
No, the word is coming.
Oh, coming. I'm sorry. Oh, she must be coming.
Yeah, he must be coming.
He must be coming.
Yes, he must come. We can say he must come or he must coming. Okay, now it's number 2.
Listen to her.
Mhm.
I feel sure.
He must come. Listen to her accent.
Listen
I
to
feel
her
sure
accent.
she is
Feel
French.
sure she's French.
So she
She must
French.
yes, she must be French.
French.
Okay.
She must be French.
Must be French. Okay.
Look at all those books.
Mhm.
He certainly reads a lot.
He
He
must read a lot.
Okay, good. He must read a lot. Okay. He must read a lot.
well, he must.
Number 4.
Oh, so you
That must
studying
be. That
must should
interesting.
must be interesting.
Yes, it must be interesting. Okay.
Interesting.
It must be interesting. Okay. Next one.
He certainly has very big feet. He must be.
Look at those. Look at.
He must.
Are those?
He must have very big fat.
Yes. He must.
He must be.
He must be. Have.
He might.
Oh, he
Hey.
might.
He must.
He must be. He must be have very
must be
big.
have
Very
Big
big
feet.
feet. Yes.
like in Boston.
Mhm.
You certainly know.
You live in Barton. You certainly know Paul Baker.
You must.
You must.
You must know Paul Baker.
Okay, you can say that.
Thank
You
you.
must know Paul Baker. Okay, it's alright. We can say this one again. Yeah, you must know Paul Baker. Okay. And then we have can and could for the requests. Okay, can and could for requests. Yeah, we can ask people to do thing or make requests. Yeah. With can you, this is formal. Oh, sorry, this is informal. Ya. Kata can ini adalah bentuk yang informal. Okay. We use it when we are talking to friends. Ya. And also, for example, in a shop or a restaurant. But when we say to an older people, ya untuk lebih polite, kita pakainya could. Okay. Could is more formal and more polite. Okay, ini lebih sopan ya. Jadi untuk kita apa older people ya or our superior ya, we use could ya. We often use it, for example, when we are talking to strangers, older people, teachers or bosses ya. So could you is possibility and it's very polite. Okay, jangan pakai can kalau ketemu boss atau teachers atau elder person ya. But we use could. Okay. All right, let's complete the sentence with the words from the box here. We have clean, drive, give, hold, lend, pass, and tell. For example, can you give me a receipt? Could you tell me your name? Okay, what about number 1? Pakai yang mana nih? Oh, tinggal pilih salah satu. Could you?
Could you lend?
Could you lend? Lend me the rice?
Lend me the rice.
Dipinjamkan?
I know. Give
Not
me,
lend.
give, hold. Yes.
What is rice?
Rice is nasi.
Nasi, yes. Maksudnya dipinjamkan nasi? No. Lend is pinjam.
Pass.
Pass, that's
Oh.
right. Can you pass me the
Could you
rice?
pass me the rice?
Yes. Can you pass me the
okay,
rice?
Okay.
Mhm.
Sounds
That's right. Number 2. My suit. My suit tuh kayak jas ya.
berarti itu lend berarti.
Ya.
It could be
Can
lend.
you lend? Oh, can you lend?
My suit.
No, 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 not Len. Not
Could
Len.
you clean?
Ah, good. Could you clean my
Oh,
suit?
clean, yeah.
Yes.
Can you clean my
Could
suit?
you clean my
Yes.
suit? Okay.
Can you?
Number 3. Can you this bag?
Can you hold this bag?
Can you hold this bag? Oke. Coba kita lihat dulu. Kita hold. Okay, what about number 4?
Could you drive me to the
Uh-huh.
station?
Yes, could you drive me to the station, please?
No. So certainly the number 5 is land.
Okay. Number 5 is fine. Oh, Len. Yes. Could you possibly lend me a pen? Yes. This one is Len. Okay. Okay, Mr. Gideon. Yes. Thank you very much. Even though you're not active, but you are active in chat. Next one we have could, can, may, and permission. Ini permission ya. We can use can, could, and may untuk permission. Okay, untuk asking apa izin ya. Permission means we use can I or can we to ask if it's okay to do something or to do things to ask permission. Yeah, we often use can I have and can we have to ask for things. Ya, jadi kalau can I have itu kita menanyakan boleh minta bendanya ya, to ask for things. Tapi kalau can we ya, can I ini untuk permission, okay, to ask permission, minta izin. Okay. To make question with can I or could I, pilih yang mana nih, pakai can I atau could I. Don't say this, lend me your pen. No, but can I borrow your pen, please? Okay. What about number 1? I want a glass of water. Pakainya mana? Pakai can atau could?
Could.
What a glass of water? Could,
Okay, could I have a glass?
could I have a glass of water?
Okay, good. Could I have a glass of water? Number 2. Water. Glass of
Oh.
water.
I'm
I'm going to use your pencil. Pakai use. Oh,
Can I use your pencil?
okay, yes. Can I use your pencil? Okay. Thank you, Mr. Gideon. Also, can I use your pencil? Number 3. I want some coffee.
May I have?
No, not may. Okay, can atau
Can I
could?
have some more
Can I have?
coffee?
Okay, can I have some more coffee? Okay, good. Can I have some more coffee?
Oh, here.
I'll put my coat here.
May I put my coat here?
No, not may. Pakainya
Not
can
may.
atau could.
Can I? Oh,
Can
Okay,
I-
can I put my
Can I
coat?
put?
Can I put my coat here?
coat here.
Okay, yes. Okay, Mr. Gideon, yes. Thank you. Okay, the next one we have could is more formal and polite than can. So we use it, for example, with strangers, older people, teachers, and bosses. Could I
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sir, what about may? What may use for? May.
May-
Usually used for. Yes.
May is the same, yeah.
Okay.
But here we use it. Nah, nanti ini we use may ya. Tapi ini kita pertama
Oh, okay.
pakainya ya. We can use may
Okay.
ya. The same thing, but we are
Same thing.
focusing on the could and can first. Okay.
Could and can.
Yeah. So this one make polite with could sekarang. Everything we use could. Coba.
Could I?
Nine. Could I? Apa ini? Number 1. Makanya use. I need to use your calculator? Berarti could I anybody know? Could I
use the
okay, yes.
calculator?
Oh no, Mr. Gideon. Oh, karena situasi santai. Okay, Mr. Gideon, thank you. Yes, could I use your calculator? Okay, next one, number 2. I'm leaving early today. Pakainya leave.
Could I leave early today?
Could I leave early today? Good. Number 3. I want to take your photo.
Could I take your
Can I take
photo?
your photo?
Yes, could I take your photo? Thank you. Number 4.
Could
Could I apa?
Could I
Borrow.
borrow?
What?
Yes, borrow.
Could I borrow your newspaper?
This is borrow. Yeah, could I borrow your newspaper? Okay. And then number 5.
Could
Could
I turn
I
on the
turn
TV?
on the TV?
Yes, could I turn on
the
the
TV?
TV? Yes, could I turn on the TV? That's right. Okay, ya tadi Mas Irfan says pakai might ya. Ya. Basically might and may we can say the same thing as permission ya. Okay. So here may or might to say something is possible, you can use may and might ya. That something is possible ya, or the negative form may not ya. So note the difference between maybe and maybe. Nah, perhatikan ini. Ada kata maybe dipisah and maybe jadi satu ya. Kalau maybe ini dia adalah verb ya, dia adalah maybe true. Jadi dia ini bukan model ya. Ini adalah kayak istilahnya apa istilahnya tuh kayak kata kerja aja ya, may be true ya, may and the verb. Tapi kalau maybe jadi satu, ini adalah kemungkinan, possible or perhaps. Okay, so make the difference ya, know the difference between maybe and then maybe. Okay, so this one maybe is may and the verb ya, may be true, but is it true? Maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe it's a possibility. Okay. For the past, we use may have or might have. Yeah. I wonder why Kate didn't answer her phone. She may have been asleep. And then could is similar to may and might. Yeah, the same as similar to may and might. But couldn't is negative, is different from may not and may
You
not.
might.
Okay. So the second one about may and might, yeah, we use may and might to talk about possibility, yeah, action or happening in the future. Okay, and then the negative form may not, might not, yeah, and then usually we use the may or might, so you can say this one, yeah, but we use may and might when the situation is not real. Okay, ini nanti ketemu di if clause, yeah. May and might, the situation is not real. The situation, if they paid me better, it's not real. Yeah, they do not pay me well, so I'm not going to work harder. Okay, and then here might as well. Yeah, ini juga to do something, we should do it because there is no better way or alternative. Okay, jadi ini bisa pakai may juga. So ya tadi kayak may the same as permission ya, the same as permission also, tapi juga might ini kemungkinan atau kita perhaps ya, we are guessing ya, perhaps she is in the office, perhaps ya, or possible. And then talking about the action ya, happening in the future, action or happening in the future, we use may and might. Okay, let's go to this one. What are modal auxiliary verb, modal auxiliary verb are helping verb that express ability, possibility, permission, obligation, advice, and prediction. Nah, itu tadi yang may and might itu adalah kita bisa kategorikan sebagai prediction, ya. And then here they modify the main verb and give extra meaning. Ya, jadi ini fungsi dari modal auxiliary verb adalah give extra meaning. Okay, everyone. Jadi kalau dalam kalimat in a sentence, auxiliary verb adalah kata kerja bantu doang, ya, fungsinya. Ya, dia juga fungsinya itu pada intinya mengutarakan ability, ya. Where's my mouse? Okay, ability, possibility, permission, obligation, advice, and also prediction. Okay. For example, I can swim. Nah, ini pakainya apa ini? Ability, possibility, permission, obligation, advice, atau prediction?
Ability.
Ability, that's right. Okay, so not she can to swim, ya, atau he must studies. Ya, walaupun di sini ada kata he-nya, ya, kata verbnya ini tetap study, ya, bentuk satu ini study. Jadi bukan studies, ya, even though ada he, she, it. Okay. And then the characteristics of modal verb, ya, very important. Always follow the base verb. Nah, ya, kalau ketemu kata auxiliary verb yang modal, selalu verbnya adalah verb 1, bukan verb 2, bukan verb 3, ya. Jadi di sini nggak ada hubungannya dengan tenses sama sekali. Pokoknya base verb only. Okay, she can drive, ya. No s, no ending ed or ing. Okay. He can play, not plays. Walaupun ketemu he, she, it, ya. Walau ketemu dengan he, she, it, tetap play, ya, bukan plays, ya. Do not use to, must to go. Nah, salah, harusnya must go. And the same form from all subjects, ya. I can, she can, they can. Okay. And then the type of modal verb. Okay, we have can, ability, permission, ya. Could, past ability, polite request. May is permission and possibility. Okay, might, weak, possibility, ya. Ya, ini kemungkinan yang sangat-sangat rendah, ya. She might go apa gimana. Okay, she might went to the Alfamart, ya. Padahal pergi ke temannya. Okay, and then must go, strong necessity or obligation, keharusan, ya. And then have to, ini obligation. Should is an advice. Ought to juga advice, ya, saran. Will ini adalah mengutarakan apa yang akan terjadi, ya. Prediction, ya, future prediction. Would is polite request or conditional. Nah, ini nanti kita akan bahas di clause, ya. Clause is if clause. Okay, and then shall, suggestion, and formal. Okay, the function and example step by step I will give you here. Okay, can is ability. Okay, use can for present ability, use could for past ability. Ya, kalau can ini kemampuan kita sekarang, tapi yang could itu adalah kemampuan kita yang waktu dulu, ya, in the past. Okay, I can speak English. Okay, and then I could not speak English when I was 10 years old. Nah, itu kita pakainya could. She can cook well. When I was young, I could run fast. Ya, ini waktu dia masih kecil, masih muda, ya. When I was young, I could run fast. And then we have permission. Can and may, ini ada permission. Can is informal, may is formal. Okay, example, can I go out? May I enter the room? Okay, ini ada permission. And then possibility, kemungkinan, ya, we have may, might, and could. Ya, it may rain today, or it's already rain in Klaten. She might came later. He could be at home. Okay, and then the strength, ya, ini. Kalau may ini adalah 50-50 chances, kemungkinan 50-50. Kalau might, ya, kecil banget, ya. She might came. Okay, she might come. She might come. And then could is general possibility. Ini kemungkinan besar, ya, general possibility. And then we have obligation, ya, ini adalah kewajiban, ya, must and have to. Must is very strong and personal. Kalau have to ini adalah strong is a rule, ya ini aturan. Jadi semua aturan yang berhubungan itu kita harus pakainya have to. Okay, like you have to wear what do you call it, shoes, or you have to wear boots when you are riding a motorcycle. Yeah. And then you must wear a helmet. And then I have to go to work tomorrow. Okay, and then advice, saran adalah should and ought to. Yeah, example, you should study more. You ought to respect your parents. Okay. And then we have future with will and shall, ya, atau juga prediction, boleh. I will call you later. We shall meet tomorrow. And then we have polite request, ada could, would, ya. Could you help me? Would you open the door, please? Okay, ini polite request. And then negative form, okay, negative form tinggal tambahkan not aja ya teman-teman, ya tinggal kasih not aja semuanya. I cannot, should not, must not, ya, can't, shouldn't, mustn't. Dan tadi adalah mightn't, ya mightn't itu jarang sekali digunakan. And then question form is modal, subject, verb. Ya, can you swim? Should I go? Will they come? Okay, and then we have here important special form, ya modal plus be, it means continuous meaning. She must be sleeping. Nah, kalau ada kata ing-nya, don't forget ada be-nya here, ya. Even though this is modal, this is main verb. Modal, main verb, ini verb yang asli. Okay. Jadi auxiliary verbnya ada 3, ya. Ada ada 2, must and be, and then the main verb, ya. Modal, have plus verb 3, past meaning. She must have forgotten. He could have won. Okay. And then common mistake, yang biasanya di orang Indonesia, ya, she can to go, salah. Harusnya she can go. He must goes, salah. Ya, walaupun ini bentuknya he, tapi nggak pakai goes. Tapi we use he must go. Verbnya tetap verb 1. Okay. I will can go. Nah, ini salah. I will be able to go. Okay. We use the be able to. And then the final summary, modal verb, ya, are helping verb, kata kerja bantu, ya, namanya modal verb. Express meaning, ability, advice, obligation, ya, and permission. And then always use the base verb 1. Do not change the form, ya. Jadi don't change the form at all. Okay, let's practice here. I want you to write down in the chat the answer for number 1, A, B, C, or D. Silahkan. Everybody can write in the chat room or chat box. What is number 1, number 2? You can write 1 apa, 2 apa, 3 apa, 4 apa. Silakan. You can write it in the chat box. Irfan, okay, Irfan, just write number 1. You can write number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just write A, B, C, or D. Okay, Mr. Gideon too. Just write 1, 2, 3, 4. Saimuti, okay, 1 is B. Irfan say 1 is must, 1 is can. Number 2, boleh tulis sekalian. Jadi 1, 2, 3, 4. Jangan satu-satu aja, tapi boleh langsung 4. Ya, nomor 1 apa, nomor 2 apa, nomor 3 apa, nomor 4 apa. I give you 5 minutes, ya. 5 minutes.
Number
Oh,
1.
not 5 minutes. 2 minutes and 2 minutes. Oh my god.
Number 2. Mouse. Number 2. Mouse. Miss. Continue May.
Okay, Mr. Gideon, yes. Thank you, Mr. Gideon. One, two, three, four. Okay, Mr. Gideon says can, must,
One.
see, and be.
And mass. Three, four, three, four, three, four. May. Not on be.
Oh, it's already time. Okay, guys. I think until this question aja dulu deh. The time is already 17:11. I didn't see the
May
time.
sama May.
Okay, Mr. Hendra. BCCB. Saiful Anwar. BCCB. Saimuti says. Saimuti says which one? Saimuti. Oh, B C C B. Oh, okay, B C C B. Everyone. Okay, let's see. Let's see.
Yes.
Okay, let's try number one. Okay, waktunya sudah habis ternyata. Okay, number one is.
Can.
Is it B? Okay, B. Good. Number two. C. Number three. C.
Oh, C.
Okay. B, C, C. And is it B? Yay!
Me.
That's right. So that's the answer, yeah? So it's B, C, C, B. So she can speak English very fluently. You must wear a helmet when riding a motorcycle. And then, may I use your phone, please? And then number four, he might be at home. I'm not sure. Okay, guys. All right. Let's stop it here. Let's stop this lesson for today because the time is already 17:13. We are over time. Okay, everyone. Can I have open video, please, for documentation? Thank you for coming in Saturday class.
You're welcome, Mister.
Okay, thank you, Irfan. Let's see. Can I? Oh no, I cannot open my camera. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, one more. You can do freestyle. 3,
Is
2, 1. Okay, thank you everyone for joining me. See you guys
thank you,
on.
share.
Thank you very much, Saimuti.
See you.
We can say
See you next week.
see you next week on Friday or Saturday, guys. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you everyone.
Terima kasih, Pak.
Thank you.
Makasih.
Okay, everyone. Guess that's today class. We finish discussing, or we finish covering the auxiliary verb, yeah, modal auxiliary verb, and hopefully next on Friday will be a review of this material. Okay, thank you very much for joining me in this video learning of English lesson. See you guys next week.